Come join us for breakfast with Tiana, Cinderella, Prince Aladdin, and Mirabelle at 1900 Park Fair.
All right, so we're going to take a look at the buffet, starting with cereal, which unfortunately is some of my kids' favorite part of the buffet. All right, we have a croissant breakfast pizza and potato barrels. Cheese grits are out, but that sounds good. I'll probably come back for those. All right, right in the middle, we have our ham carving station. We have chicken sausage, spiced tofu scramble. All right, also some cheesy scrambled eggs. There is an omelet selection. See a server. Okay, so if you want an omelet, you can ask somebody. Pork, sausage, bacon, oatmeal. I wonder if Max would like that. There's oatmeal with caramelized apples and brown sugar on the side. Biscuits with sausage gravy, cinnamon pull-apart bread, some bread pudding, and some vanilla cream sauce to go on top of your bread pudding. All right, over here is some basics. You have to have your Mickey waffles and your pancakes, and then a little thing for syrup on the side here. They put the cheese grits in, so I wanted to come back and show you guys those with the beef and potato hash, house-made steak sauce, classic eggs Benedict, cheesy potato casserole, and that one is fresh onions and tomatoes, some smoked salmon with cream cheese, strawberry yogurt with some toppings like berries, cottage cheese, granola, lots of fresh fruit. For some breads, they have some croissants with lots of jams and jellies here, some cream cheese with bagels and toast. All right, and then the most popular item, which I'm very excited to try, is this strawberry soup. They also have some fresh strawberries and whipped cream you can put on top of your soup. Some Danishes, bread. It says muffins, which I'm guessing they are bringing out in just a minute, along with some donut holes.
Hello.
How are you all? Hi.
Oh, he's excited for your ride.
We're all excited for everyone to stand by you. It's going to be quite the experience, I would say.
So right now I got some of that steak hash, a chicken sausage, eggs Benedict, the potato casserole, even some of the tofu scramble, even though I'm not a big tofu eater, and then some of the grits as well. I'd give those cheesy grits a 10 out of 10, but I'm a big fan of grits. They taste amazing.
So while Jennie took you on the tour of the buffet, I got to already have a plate of food to tie me over while she was, over there. But what I got was some of the beef and potato hash. Man, that is amazing. Like, it's such a good flavor. And then there's homemade steak sauce. We got cheesy potato casserole. I got a couple pastries. This is a guava and cheese Danish. That sounds really good. Cheesy eggs, bacon, sausage, and I also got a biscuit and gravy. But yeah, I got a cheese and guava Danish. But this is strawberry soup, cold soup. First of all, soup is weird to me. I'm not a soup guy. Jennie loves soup. Oh, wow. I mean, if you could have a milkshake, this is what a milkshake is. It's amazing. You could just drink it. But, yeah. Strawberry soup is a game changer. It is, smooth. Man, that's good. I don't even know how to explain it, but you have to try it. I don't know where else in this place you can get it, because it's called the Grand Floridian Strawberry Soup. So I guess you can only get it here at Grand Floridian. But I don't know if any of the other restaurants carry it or not. But it's amazing. A game changer. Worth the buffet price just to have an unlimited amount of this.
I would ask that you please return to your seats.
Oh.
Now, time to begin.
Okay, Chad and Eli went to the buffet. I hope that they come back.
Yes, sir. Hot begin. Just follow my lead and let your conscience be your guide. Everybody, take hold of your wishing star. Oh, don't worry if you haven't written it. It could be as simple as a feeling or your heart's greatest desire. Hold your wish high in the air. That's it. Wish granters go on and help them out if they need it. Wow! Look at all those amazing glittering wishes. Magnificent! Next, in your best wishing voice, nice and loud now, repeat after me. I wish my wish. As wish makers do. And believe in myself. To make it come true. Beautifully done.
Yay!
Some happen right away, and others, well, take a little time. You see our visiting wish makers? They all made their wish come true. Your wish, it could be as simple as a feeling, or your heart's greatest desire. Here we go. Hold your wish high in the air.
Hold it high. So here is the card with like their autograph. And on the back is where you can write your wish. Okay, what did you write?
$50.
What a wonderful wish for money. Chad, what would your wish be?
My wish would be peace on earth. No, just kidding. Well, that would be good. But man, I honestly would wish that people can have a fun experience at Disney just like us. You know, I know a lot of people don't get to, and I would love for other people to experience that as well. You know, we're blessed to be able to come as often as we do, and if you guys have never been to Disney, hopefully you enjoy our videos because of just how our family loves Disney, and hopefully you guys can love Disney just like us one day and see it for yourself if you've never been.
Yeah, I made my dress myself. My abuela Alma taught me how to embroider, so I try to make sure there's something special for everyone in my family on my dress. Like this is for Antonio. He can talk to animals. That's my self-portrait. I know. This is Cheese. He's my capybara. Kind of an unconventional pet, I know. And for Luisa, and even for my Tia Peppa too.
Nice. It's beautiful.
Perfect.
Thank you very
You
much.
can definitely hang your family portrait in your casita
Yeah.
just like mine.
Yes. I got some bacon. I had to get a Mickey waffle, even though I know that they're the same at every Disney restaurant, but I got one anyway. I'm going to try the biscuits and gravy, and I had to get the strawberry soup because they are just raving about it, which I was very excited to try. I kind of just put it on the delay. All right. I'm going to give the soup a taste right now. I'm going to tell you my predictions. When I heard about a strawberry soup, I thought it would be like a smoothie and a bowl. That's how I felt like it would taste. We're going to see. Chad said it's more like a milkshake. Maybe it's a little more sweet than a smoothie. We will see. I'm worried I'm going to spill on myself. When I sat here and thought, I'm doing so well, I'm not going to spill. But here I am, spilling anyway. This strawberry soup is so good. First of all, a testament to how good it is. You guys know that we have a picky eater in our family, and Max loves the strawberry soup. Max loves the strawberry soup, don't you? Strawberry soup and rice cereal. So at least we got him to expand a little bit besides rice cereal. You found two things you like, yeah. Hey! A snake.
I learned my lesson. The most important thing is to be yourself, right? That's what the genie did. You know the genie, right? Yeah. I think you may have followed me here today. Yeah. You met your outfit too. He's blue as well.
We
met the genie, remember? You met the genie?
We did. We met him yesterday.
Was he traveling around the world?
Yes.
He was in Morocco.
We saw Jasmine too.
You saw Jasmine?
She was looking for you.
Isn't she amazing? Mm-hmm. See, I wish I would have been there. I was looking for Abu. Abu keeps getting monster. Hey, do you want to take a portrait together? Yeah. You need to sit right here.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
is for you to believe in you.
Eli wished to be able to fly one day. You think your wish will come true? You know what? In some ways, maybe it will. Like if you're in an airplane, you have to be really specific with the wish.
I drew myself.
That's true, you did. All right, Max, what is your wish? To meet all these people? And your wish came true. That's awesome. Hi.
What a wonderful morning indeed. I see very well. So, you should wear this. You know that's
Yeah, show the picture. I did. I wore this for you. I thought of you when I wore it. Thank you.
Wait, show me the picture. So we just got a brand new puppy, and we named him Gus. Yep.
my goodness. I have a Gus too.
That's why we named him Gus.
I can't wait to tell my Gus. That's precious. I think they can be best friends.
Yep.
Yes, Gus. Oh, he's adorable. I hope when you get back home, you'll give Gus all of the hugs and kisses from me. I love that wish. That will come true. All you need is a little magic.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I hope you guys had fun dining with us here. We really enjoyed it. This has probably jumped to the top of my list as one of my favorite character dining experiences.
Yeah, it was really good. That strawberry soup was awesome, especially on a hot day today. That was really good and refreshing to have. And it's one that all of our kids can enjoy. Sometimes Max doesn't like full costume characters, but the people characters he loves, and he had great interactions with them. So top notch. It was a great breakfast. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel and to all our socials as the Diary of a Disney Dad everywhere. And we'll see you on the next one.